Hello dear children, we can continue our 8.3 solutions of 8.3, 5, 6 and 8. Okay. Question number 5. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? That is, I buy a TV for, so cost price is equal to 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. So we know profit percentage is equal to 20. So selling price is greater than cost price. Here we have to find how much money do I get it for. That is, we have to find the selling price of TV. Here cost price is equal to rupees 10,000. This will be the original. And profit percentage is equal to 20. So here we have to find the selling price. Selling price is equal to what? We have to find the selling price. Here we know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Okay. We know the cost price is equal to 10,000. What is the profit? 20% of 10,000. Okay. That is 20% of 10,000. Here we can find 20% of 10,000. That is 20 on 100 times 10,000. 2 zeros, here 2 zeros. 20 times 100 is equal to 2,000. So we got selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So cost price is equal to 10,000 plus profit. We found it now. That is the 22,000. So the selling price of TV will be 10,000 plus 2,000. That is 12,000 rupees. Okay. So we will get it for rupees 12,000. Next, sixth question. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? Juhi sells a washing machine. So selling price is equal to 13,500. She loses 20%. So this is loss, not profit. Okay. So we have to find the cost price. Cost price will be less than 13,500. Here we know selling price is equal to 13,500. Okay. And loss percentage is equal to 20. We have to find the cost price of washing machine. Here, loss 20% means selling percentage, selling price will be 100% minus 20%. Okay. So that will be 80%. There is no loss or profit. We know that will be 100%. But here this is loss percentage. So 100% minus 20% is equal to 80%. So 80% of cost to price we don't know. That will be 13,500. Okay, that is 80% of an amount is equal to 13,500. Okay, 13,500. So 80% of cost price will be the amount. 80% of cost price is equal to 13,500. Here we have to find the cost price percentage. We know 80% is equal to 80 on 100. Okay. Then times CP is equal to 13,500. Then CP is equal to 13,500 divided by, here multiplied. So we are going to take this 80 on 100 on RHS side. So that will be 80 on 100. We can multiply 13,500 with the reciprocal of 80 on 100. We can cut this 0, this one. Then here 5 and here 4. So 13,500 times 100 on 8. We can cut this 0 and this 0. Then this is 4 and this will be 5. Then 13,500 times 5. 0. Then 0. 5 5s are 25. 2. Then 15 plus 2. That is 17. Then 1. 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Then 7, 5, 0, 0. 67,500 divided by this 4. Okay. 1, 4, 1 time. Then subtraction 27. Then 6. 6 4s are 24. Again subtraction 3. 35. Here 8. 8 4s are 32. Then 30, then here 7, 7 4s are 28, then subtraction, then 20, then 5, so 20, 5 4s are 20, so the cost price is equal to 16,875. Okay. Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? So Amina buys a book for, that is, cost price of book is equal to rupees 275 and sell it at a loss of 15%. So 15% loss. We have to find the selling price of book. So the selling price will be 15% of 275 less than the cost price. Here cost price is equal to rupees 275 and selling price will be 275 minus 15% of 275. Okay, that is 15% less than the cost price. Here the cost price is 275. Then 15% less than 275. Okay, that is 275 minus 15% of 275. First we have to find the 15% of 275. That we have to subtract from the cost price. Then 275 minus here 15 and 275. divided by 100. The answer 275 minus 41.25. 15 times 275, that is 4125 divided by 100 is equal to 41.25. That will be, we have to subtract 275 minus 41.25. Here 0.00 because 2 and 5 on decimal places. Then 75, here will be 4, that will be 3 and 2, 3, 3. Okay. So the answer is rupees 233.75. Okay. Now the cost price is more than the selling price. So the 50, that is loss, and how much? 15% of cost price. Okay. So cost price is equal to 275. Okay. Then sold with a 15% loss. Okay. Then we have to find the 15% of 275. That we have to subtract from 275. Okay. Thank you.